Rahim. I am Taskin Fatma Memon, lecturer of Botany, Government Girls Degree College, Nawab Shah. This lecture is related with class first year. Subject is botany and topic is bacteria. Bacteria are the simplest and smallest living organisms which possess cellular structure. They are microscopic and prokaryotic. The size of bacteria is very small. They are found everywhere in soil, water, and air. They do not have chlorophyll. Bacteria could be described with its types also. According to the types, bacteria has four shapes: cocci, bacilli, spirilla, and vibrio. Now I am going to discuss them one by one. Let's get started. First of all, cocci. They are round in shape. According to the arrangement, they are as Micrococcus. They are single, not arranged in groups. Diplococcus. They are found in groups of two. Streptococci. They are arranged in chain-like manner. Staphylococci. They are present in bundles or groups. Tetrad. These are groups of 4 bacteria, and Sarcina. These are groups of 8 bacteria. Second one is bacilli. They are rod-shaped bacteria. Third one is spirilla. These are spiral-shaped bacteria. They are never found in groups. And fourth one is vibrio. They are comma-shaped. They are not found in groups. Structure of bacterial cells. Bacterial cell consists of different type of structure. First one, flagella, pili, capsule, cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, mesosome, nuclear material, and plasmid. Flagella. These are thread-like structures arise from the outer surface of bacterial cell. Then pili. These are hollow filament-like structure present on their body. The pili do not take part in locomotion. Capsule. It is outer additional protective layer present around the cell wall. It is made up of polysaccharides. It is found only in some bacteria. Cell wall. It is the layer around a bacterial cell. It protects the inner parts of cell and also provide a definite shape to bacterial cell. It is composed of sugar and amino acids. Cell membrane. On the inner side of cell wall around the cytoplasm, the cell membrane is present. It is semi-permeable and controls osmotic properties of the cell. Cytoplasm. The inner substance of bacterial cell is called cytoplasm. It contains granules of glycogen and fats. Proteins are as a reserve food. Then mesosome. If we say this mesosome is the backbone of the bacterial cell because of its function. It is a folded structure arises from the inner side of cell membrane. It has many functions as enzyme secretion, cell division, DNA replication, and respiration. Nuclear material. In bacteria cell, there is no proper nucleus. It is a prokaryotic cell. It contains nuclear material called nucleoid. Nucleoid is an irregular shaped dense structure, does not contain nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, and nucleolus. It is also called chromatin body or bacterial chromosomes. Then plasmid. It is a small fragment of extra genetic material, double-stranded DNA. It replicates itself. It does not take part in growth and metabolism. So this was the structure of bacterial cell. Types of bacteria on the basis of flagella: Atrichus, Monotrichus, Lophotrichus, Amphitrichus, and Peritrichus. Atrichus. These bacteria are without flagella, so because of that they cannot move. Monotrichus. These bacteria contain one polar flagellum. Lophotrichus. These bacteria contain a tuft of flagella at one pole. Amphitrichus. These bacteria contain tuft of flagella at two poles of body. Peritrichus. These bacteria contain flagella around the whole body. Respiration in bacteria. There are two types of respiration in bacteria, aerobes and anaerobes. Aerobes respiration is that type of respiration. Such type of bacteria needs oxygen for respiration. There are of two types, obligate aerobes and facultative aerobes. Anaerobes. These bacteria do not take oxygen for respiration. There are also two types, obligate anaerobes and facultative anaerobes. Nutrition of bacteria. Bacteria take nutrition through their cell wall. They need energy for their different process of life. On the basis of nutrition, bacteria are divided into three main groups: autotrophic bacteria, heterotrophic bacteria, and symbiotic bacteria. Autotrophic bacteria. The bacteria which utilize carbon dioxide and get energy from sunlight for some chemical reactions are called autotrophic bacteria. They can synthesize organic compounds. Heterotrophic bacteria. These bacteria cannot synthesize their organic compounds. They get energy by decomposition of organic compounds and live either as parasites or saprophytes. Symbiotic bacteria. Some bacteria form an association with other organisms and both get benefits from each other. Such bacteria are called symbiotic bacteria. Then nitrogen fixation. It is a process in which nitrogen is changed into ammonium and ammonia compound. Because nitrogen cannot be used in free state by the plants, it is also used when it is converted into simple nitrogenous compounds. Reproduction in bacteria. In bacteria, there are three types of reproduction: binary fission, endospore formation, and genetic recombination. Binary fission. It is a simple type of reproduction and takes place in favorable conditions. In this process, the bacterial cell divides into two cells. First, the nucleus divides into two nuclei, then cytoplasm also divides into two parts of partition wall. Each part of cytoplasm contains nucleus. Finally, two separate independent cells of bacteria are formed. Endospore formation. This process takes place during unfavorable conditions. In this process, the protoplasm shrinks and forms a rounded mass. It is covered by a thick wall. It is known as endospore. The endospore remains inactive during unfavorable conditions. It may remain for a long time. Under favorable conditions, the endospore develops into a single bacterial cell. Genetic recombination. There is no sexual reproduction in bacteria in a true or definite form, but a combination of two genetic materials takes place by certain method. It is known as genetic recombination. These are considered as sexual reproduction. These methods are of three types: conjugation, transduction, and transformation. Conjugation. When two chain form of same bacteria are kept together, the genetic material of one bacterial cell is transferred into another bacterial through a tube, the conjugating tube. The process is known as conjugation. Transduction. In this process, the genetic material of one bacterial cell is transferred into another cell through bacteriophage virus. Is known as transduction. Transformation. When the genetic information of one bacterium is transferred into another bacteria, or when alive bacteria are kept with dead bacterial cells, the alive bacteria gain DNA of dead bacteria. Due to this information, bacterium undergoes changes, that is, its nature is transformed. The process is called transformation. My dear students, it was the little bit description about bacteria in which described as its type, structure, respiration and reproduction. I hope you understood. For more, like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you.